you're about to see my dog, me stroke him, me kiss him, me hold him and kiss him and hold him and kiss him and hug him and everything. And the time right now is 1:36. Sorry guys, I haven't done this for a while. My brightness level is so high. Literally though. Stars. Can you see it now? Yeah, 1 day. No, they don't have to see your messages. But yeah, now that's done. Let's go see the sausage. Okay, now we're gonna go and see the dog. Yeah, we're gonna go now. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see him. Well, we've seen him before, but like he's asleep right now. So I know, but we haven't seen him in like 4 hours. Really quiet. We haven't seen him in like 4 hours, 3 or 4 hours. Really quiet. Leave you guys here. Secret, so we need to get secret. So you guys will get the dog and then we'll show you guys. Okay? We'll show you. Okay, wait here guys. We'll be like 2 minutes, okay?
Whatever, like, you know, you flirt with anyone, it's like, I was just giving the lady compliments. She's got amazing cheekbones. And I was like, oh, yeah, good sure. He's like, that's not a chat up, though. Yeah, it's quite funny.
In a minute.
There was Lucy with Lucy Rickaby. Danny Rickaby's daughter. Yeah, I know Lucy. Yeah, she's my age. Yeah, she was with us because she's like Lauren's like bestie.
She's got blonde hair and she's tattoos and looks sort of like a British shite house.
Yeah. Well, yeah, she's quite, yeah. Boobs and everything.
But she's the mother of Black Mia.
Yeah.
And 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Me, Sassy Doll / Cooper. Because it's Cooper. Hey, say hi, Cooper.
Rough.
It's Cooper.
Oh guys, it's Cooper.
He's so small.
Can you not turn it around?
Yeah, we can turn it around, but.
Let's do that then. Hi, Zars, it's me. Let's try.
There you go. Sassy. He's a baby.
Oh no, really?
Oh, can I hold him? Just wait. Just be really careful with his back feet. Let's go on a quick walk. I love walking with people. Yeah, show him walking on the floor. And he's like so cute, he says. He's so warm. Okay, we're gonna run with him. Make sure you got it out. Oh, he might need toilet actually. Yeah, he might need toilet. Bring him to the puppy pad. There's one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's good boy. I'm so smart. Knew it. Yeah, he's training it. He's getting trained, guys. He is trained because you don't like we click out the video now. He's training it, so we just have to wipe him down. Okay, don't no. He's just trying it again.
Oh,
Guys, this is not harsh.
Let's look away, guys. Ooh, that's
Clean
hilarious.
his bottom as well. His wet. Right. Oh, he's licking me, guys. Okay. Now we're just going to move away from the puppy pad because we don't like puppy pad. Okay, and this is Cooper, guys.
Oh, look at him doing.
Okay, now we're going to put him on the floor. And he's going to run. And he's going to run. And he's going to be so cute. Let's run. Come on, Cooper. Here we go. Cooper. Come on.
He's older. And then he's like, yeah, I'm trained to be the manager for night shift.
David, just turn him over so quickly.
To go to somewhere else. He likes the team. The team don't like him.
Oh, he's just sitting there. Money. Money purr.
Yeah, that's what he does. I bet you wish you got the C.
Yeah.
He's so cute. He's literally literally like a toy, isn't he? Have you got
Yeah, I
any?
just wish he was mute. Well, if he was mute, it'd be brilliant, wouldn't it?
I just
His
know
toys,
he
like-
doesn't make
He
a
really
sound.
loves
Until now.
Obviously, and that's why I was
He's got
trying
this
to
toy
put
that
him
I
in the
got him.
car on the way home. Not
This
put him
toy?
in a
And
like
this toy,
So,
he was like put him in a foldable
that is so
tray,
good.
and he literally just sat there
And
and
that-
made a whining noise.
It's
Didn't,
cute. It's cute, but
didn't
Oh,
make any
Jen.
sort of noise, and that's why he was so horrified. Because at night he was just like, "Where the hell's this bowl come from?"
Everyone just
But he just got himself.
Sorry guys, he's just getting held by
got himself in such a
he's
stress.
making me now, so he wants
yeah.
Oh,
And
no,
what did,
it's possible.
what did you wash?
Well, on and off, yeah.
Jim, what did you wash him with? Like,
No, we got
Oh, I'm
this.
tired, are you? Oh, sorry, we kept you up.
Mum! I just want to have a little
Yeah,
hole.
I used to like they come back with this. Yeah, it's just the shampoo pets at home.
Oh, yeah.
shampoo
Right now,
for
guys.
puppies. It was not very
like this.
like doesn't smell very strong, so I
He's
put
been
it
in
on
the garden. He's been in the garden once, but he didn't really like it. He was just eating everything on the ground.
Right,
Bobby, let's go to the lounge.
If
If
we
we
got
got
fragrance
fragrance on, then it might do things with the skin.
When
Look
we
at him, he is so cute.
sensitive skin.
I love him.
Puppy, lies in there.
This revolves around our last video, guys. We've been planning the last video, the music video we did just now. Yeah, we've been planning that video for so long, for like 10 years.
This is our
No,
brand
for
new
like-
baby.
For like, in a minute we're gonna do a
8
role play.
years,
For 8 years, and then like, for like 8 years we've been planning that video.
I've done.
But now he's finally here. Love him so much. Anyway, guys, we will see you